Your windows back there are gorgeous. Big master bedroom. This is the master. Got pretty ceilings. Big, high, thick crown molding. Beautiful bathroom. Double vanity. Got this big. And another like makeup area. Jacuzzi bath, jetted. Big old window. Stand up. Separate shower. Guys. Big closet. Really big closet. Secondary bedroom, very tall ceilings, thick crown molding, big windows. It's got its own bathroom. This is from the back door looking towards the front door. So now my built-ins are to my left, gas burning fireplace, grand piano, formal dining room. To the left of that is really large, open entranceway to the kitchen, and I guess it's a breakfast nook. Surround sound. Another nice size sitting area. Tall vaulted ceilings. Another fireplace. Huge, 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 huge. Open kitchen. Beautiful. Gas burning stove, which is not common for here. Nice big pantry. So to the right of the front door, you get this way, you've got a hallway. To the left is the kitchen. Got a bathroom, a little powder room to your left. Huge laundry room. Sink counter. This is tile. I'll take you upstairs. Okay, up here is a small room. Looks like they used it as a game room, exercise room. You have doors. Ooh. Large attic, floored attic space. There's another door with more. Well, not much more, but a little bit more attic space. Going through the hallway, looks like you've got another sitting room. With a bathroom. Looks like a Jack and Jill bathroom. And it leads to a bedroom. Just an average bedroom. And then we're back out to the kitchens to my right, the front doors to my left. Do you see the nice columns? Beautiful hardwood floors.